As a global market leader with a strong OE heritage, NGK spark plugs has earned the respect in the aftermarket channel as a high-quality, premium brand. The same engineering expertise and testing practices are an integral part of NGK Ignition Coil programs. We have applied our research and populated our coil offering with the most failure-prone coil parts and sell them in multi-packs to make it easier and more cost-effective. In fact, NGK offers 10 part numbers that cover 22 million vehicles on the road. With our high quality and durable packaging, all NGK coils come in a sealed poly bag for protection and to combat faulty returns. NGK coils are tested to the strictest guidelines. Let's now go over some of the product improvements and enhancements that NGK has integrated into its coil line. One area where NGK applied its product expertise is for BMW's premature coil failure on 3.0 engines. The original OEM design was recalled due to material deterioration caused by high temperature fluctuations. BMW went with a 100% new design and recommended changing all coils. NGK took the new design and put it in a multi-pack to make it easier and more cost-effective. Another example of NGK's product expertise can be found in the Ford U5182 coil, most commonly used on Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury V8 and V10 engines. A porosity problem in the OE PBT housing causes corona buildup in the plastic, and deterioration of the polymer can lead to cracks and coil failure. To solve this issue, NGK uses high dielectric strength thermoplastic called polyethylene terephthalate. This uniform housing is not susceptible to gas ingress, which improves the durability. On the U5080 coil, popular on GM vehicles, certain coil manufacturers remove safety features from the driver modules to cut production cost. This can cause electrical shorts and power loss, which can lead to stalling. NGK ignition modules are designed with OE igniter specifications and use wire bonding, where possible, along with the latest mechanized soldering technique. We also have the U5251 ignition coil, popular on the Ford Lincoln Mercury 6-cylinder engines. OE designs use PBT housings that can cause the coil to overheat and are prone to cracking. NGK solution uses a high-grade polyphenylene sulfide PPS housing. Results are superior coil durability and heat resistance. The U5121 ignition coil for 2005 through 2019 Dodge Jeep Ram 8-cylinder Hemi engines. The original OE design utilized zinc-plated steel terminals. This design was prone to corrosion. The NGK solution uses brass secondary terminals that are more resistant to corrosion when compared to the original zinc-plated OE terminals. And finally, the U6026 rail coil, which is used in GM 4-cylinder vehicles. Many competitive coil suppliers do not provide the complete assembly, such as new spark plug boots and new ignition modules. With the NGK U6026, you get a complete assembly that is easy to install. Essentially, it is just plug and play. Like its spark plugs, NGK ignition coils are engineered to OE durability and performance. With more than 450 ignition coil part numbers and 95% VIO coverage, NGK is the ignition specialist.